Hi guys, I'm AutoKid and welcome to AutoKid Garage. Today we will be opening a cold air intake for my dad's Mustang GT. This has an AirRaid MXP in it. This is a really big box. Let's see what's inside. First, we have the instructions, which is going to be very important. Next, we have this cool thing that will make it, you'll be able to see through it and see the air intake, and it's going to be really cool putting it on his car. Whoa, there's some awesome stuff in here. This is the intake tube, and this is the cold air box. Whoa, this is so big that it's super heavy. This is the air filter, and it will keep all the dust and stuff out, and it might even give it a little of extra horsepower. Here's all the hoses and clamps that we're gonna need to install the kit. This is one. This is one. Here's some metal stuff. Here's another one. This looks like a hose. This is the intake tube and air box. Did you know this engine is called the Coyote? Ho! First thing we have to do is disconnect the battery. And my dad's gonna do it because it might be a little dangerous. Next thing we need to do is get this engine cover out of the way. While we have the engine cover off, we may as well go ahead and clean it. Clean as a whistle. You took off the tubes. Now I'm loosening the clamps. So we can take off the factory intake. Out comes the old box. Look how dirty it is. We're gonna give it a wipe down. Look how much better it looks. Now we're gonna put the new AirRaid box in. There it is. There we go. We have it all screwed in. There you go. big kid can do it with a little dad help. Now we're gonna clean up our shop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.